Today we are talking about help for seniors living alone and what does aging in place mean? I'm Pamela D Wilson. My website is PamelaDWilson.com. On there, a lot of helpful information for caregivers and aging adults. So you might be wondering, what are the reasons that seniors, that elderly people, have to leave home? There are many reasons, but the three top reasons are unexpected accidents, an inability to manage day-to-day issues like chronic disease and things around the household, and then the last is memory. When we become older, a lot of things that we used to take for granted when we were younger that we could do in the blink of an eye, lickety-split, become so much more difficult because we slow down. Our memory slows down, our brain function slows down, and unless we take serious steps to maintain our physical body, everything in our body can slow down. So if we are noticing that we're getting older and we can't do all of the things that we used to do, what do we do about it? How do we make sure that we can age in place? And if you don't know what that means, it means that most people, at least most elderly people that I know, want to stay living in their homes, want to be as independent as possible. Very few people want to go live in a nursing home or in a retirement community. So what do we do about this? My first recommendation is to get out of your comfort zone. If you are older and retired, you have a lot of time on your hands. What are you doing with that time every single day? Are you putting it to good use? On the subject of managing day-to-day and managing your health and chronic disease, what do you know about your health diagnosis? What do you know about all those medications you take? What types of conversations do you have with your doctor and your healthcare provider? There is a lot to learn in this area that the healthcare system doesn't teach you. It's up to us as people, as older adults, as consumers, to be the ones who investigate and who ask the questions. The better that you manage all of your health concerns, the more independent you can remain, and the longer you can stay at home. The second issue, the reason that elderly people live home, is because of unexpected accidents. Now, sometimes those are health accidents, like you have a heart attack. But many times it's an accident like you fall and break a hip or injure your spine or another body part, and you never fully recover from that fall for a lot of reasons. Maybe you're afraid of having another fall. So you think that limiting your physical activity is a good thing when really it's the worst thing that you can do because it makes you more prone to falls. And then we have memory loss and cognitive activities. These are significantly affected by the amount of time that we spend in activities and socializing with other people and doing things that feed our brain, like reading and doing puzzles and other activities. Now, if you're retired, you have a lot of time on your hands, as I mentioned. You could be doing a lot of things, adding a lot of things into your life that can help you stay at home. There is a lot of help for seniors living alone on my website. It's PamelaDWilson.com, in podcasts on my website, which are like little radio programs that you can listen to, in my caregiving library, and in my one-on-one consultations for older adults. So if you are an older adult or if you are a caregiver for a parent and you want to know more about how to age in place, what things should you be doing every day with all of this time that you have that can help you stay independent? And then also, how do you plan for the future? How do you plan for the unexpected things that will happen to all of us as we age? The more proactive you can be today, the more that you can embrace learning and getting out of your comfort zone to learn new things and to do new things every day, the better you will be living alone, living independently, and aging in place. I'm Pamela D. Wilson. Please share this video. Please share my website, PamelaDWilson.com, with others you know who are looking for hope, help, and support, regardless of your age, whether you are an older adult or a caregiver of a parent or a grandparent or someone else. Help exists on my website. Have a fabulous day today. I will see you again soon in another video.